Hey everyone, my name is Azril. Today I will show you how to update your driver VGA. So let's start in the video. For the first step, you must check your driver and your system specification. To check your driver and your specification, click the Windows icon and then type Device Manager. Click Device Manager and then look for the display adapter. This is the driver VGA. I am using Intel HD. And if you wanna check your system specification, click the Windows icon and type control panel and then search for the system. Click the system. This is my specification, Intel Core i3. Because I am using Intel HD, so I go to intelhd.com. This is a main menu of Intel sites. So scroll down and then find the download center. Click download center and type on the search bar your Intel driver. I am using Intel HD. So this is a date of release driver VGA, and this is January and May. Click on the May. This is download is valid for the product listed below. This is my computer specification, Intel Core i3. So this is support. Click download and wait until the download finish. So I have already downloaded the file and then extract the zip and then open the folder. Click the setup and then click run. Then click next. Restart my computer. After you restarting the computer and then back to the driver and check your driver details, and the driver is finished updated. So if you enjoy this video, like this video and don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you.